Now that we've created the sketch of our loft, let's add some more details. We'll start by adding a window. Once it's placed, we can edit its dimensions and set its distance from the adjacent wall. At the bottom left, you can switch to the elevation view. Here, you can inspect each wall individually, edit the wall length and ceiling height, add more wall objects, or modify existing ones, like this window. Now, let's switch back to the 2D view. We'll duplicate the window and make sure the measurements are correct. I'll use my Bluetooth laser meter to verify them, just as we did in the previous video. Next, I'll select a different wall and add another window. Let's switch to the elevation view one more time. I'll select the window and use my laser meter to measure the distance from the floor first, and then the distance to the adjacent wall. The window's position updates automatically in the app as the measurements are taken. And voila, our loft is now even more detailed. I'll see you in the next video.